Hello everyone and welcome to Theme Park Explorer. Today's one shot is Katanga Canyon. So of course, if you don't know already, this is inspired by Towers Productions. But yeah, so we're going to walk up and look at the area. So of course you have this signage. Now if you don't know, Katanga Canyon opened in 1992 with the runaway mine train and existing ride which is now called Congo River Rapids. Now it is quite busy here today, so I don't really know how crowded the pathways are going to be. Very. So over here is the Congo River Rapids. If you don't know what one take is, that means there's no edits either. Of course it's very busy today, with it being a warm day. Also in Katanga Canyon you have a refresh and refill station. And over here is the waterfalls, which have been on and off this year. Currently they're not on, but yesterday they were on. Of course that's one of the main effects what gets riders wet. Continuing down. Some more lookout areas, which once were like paid guns. So this pathway was designed by John Wardley to give riders a better view of Congo River Rapids, and also to link in with the new area. Over here you have more of the view. It's like the keeper making sure the boats are full. You have a staff member there as well. Actually there's no staff member there. Fountain waterfalls are not on. But in recent years Congo River Rapids has been seriously toned down in effects due to an incident at Great Manor. Things like the wave machines and water itself had been toned down significantly. So we're entering now into the main area of Katanga Canyon. Where there's two rides. There's some more view of Congo River Rapids. And this is the water what feeds the River Rapids, the lake. On really hot day periods it can drain quite significantly that. But now we've entered the main area. And here's the entrance for Congo River Rapids. And moving on, there is the main eatery. Pizza and pasta. It can get very popular, this. And here's the runaway mine train, which has quite a large queue. Opened in 1992, this. MacLeod coaster, designed by John Wardley. You also have a game stall, which was once staffed, but now just has claw machines and stuff. And you also have the Katanga Cargo main shop. And here's the ride access pass entrance, which I'll get you the ride board here. It's less busy. But this is not quite the end of the area yet, as it still goes on. We will have to walk back at some point. to get to the other pathway in Katanga Canyon. Here you have a tunnel where the runaway mine train and Katanga and Congo River Rapids cross. It's not really many effects in there. It did used to be in the dark, but again due to an incident at Drayton Manor, it was lit up. Here's some more view of the runaway mine train. Sadly, we haven't been able to catch the train yet. This was once known as, I want to say, the Grand Canyon Rapids, but I feel I'm getting mixed up on that. So if you do know, please correct me. So as we're heading towards the end of the area, of course you have a phone charging store here, but as we head to the end of the area we are going to have to walk through just a little bit of gloomy wood due to the other pathway of Katanga Canyon kind of crosses through and you can't get through. So if you want to close your eyes and ignore this area, I don't mind. Walk around, head the way where recently some new theming has been added. So here's Canyon Pass. So it's often used as a shortcut, but it also is the ride access pass entrance and fast track for Congo River Rapids up here. So this pathway was open in 2018 with the construction of Wickerman. So you can see approaching the station of Congo River Rapids. So the queue is quite busy today due to it being quite warm. There it is. Yeah. And down here we have some murals and stuff. Then over here is some new theming, and also you can see the flume, but here's some new theming, what's been added, and the truck. And over here is the ride access pass and fast track entrance. There's the board there. So we continue down here. We are walking through Wickerman, but still end up in the Katanga Canyon area. So again, this pathway was opened up during the construction, and you'd have to walk down here due to the other pathway being closed. Yeah, there's nothing really to show around here, apart from a loudness hill. And here's another view of Congo River Rapids. And that near enough includes this one take. I'd like to thank you for watching, and again, this is heavily inspired by Alton Towers Productions. which unfortunately his videos, he deleted them, but I was a big fan. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.